Hello everyone, welcome back to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make a special dish. We all do scrambled eggs, but today, as I said, it's a special dish. Check it out. And this is kingfish eggs, and today we are going to make scrambled fish eggs. I've added the ingredients in the description box. You can check it out there, and let's get started. To a hot pan, let's add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can add any oil of your choice. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Add 1 onion which I have sliced it. Add curry leaves and saute it till the onions are soft. Now we are going to add 1 tomato which I have sliced it. And mix it, saute it until it becomes soft. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. You can adjust the spice according to your taste. Mix everything together. Next we are going to add the fish eggs. Add salt. Mix well and cover and cook it on a medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the fish eggs are cooked. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 green chilli which I finely chopped, and a little bit of coriander leaves for garnishing. Mix everything together. After stirring for a few minutes, you can now turn off the stove. Now your delicious scrambled fish egg is ready. Let's serve it. Now let's try the recipe. The taste of the fish eggs, it just melts in your mouth. That's how soft it is. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.